What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I hope you guys are doing safe and hope you guys are being safe and doing okay. If you guys haven't noticed by now, I do have some slightly dyslexic tendencies that come out when I do these videos every now and then. So bear with me as usual. But yeah, hope you guys are okay. I know some of you guys, states are opening back up, and I've heard that the driving's getting a little bit better. I've still heard it's really dicey. I know, like, I like the retroactive referral codes, and I've noticed that, like, those are still way down, which makes me think no one's really driving yet. So I don't know. I would err on the side of caution still. Me as a driver, it's going to be a while before I go back out there. I mean, I really haven't driven since New Year's anyways. So, yeah. But anyways, let's jump right into the video. What we're doing today is we're back on the Survey Junkie trend. A lot of you guys have been asking questions about this, writing in. So I wanted to just show, I've already done a few videos on this showing screenshots and stuff, but this video is just going to be a random day I had where I made about 30 bucks. It was probably in about 7 hours of doing surveys, but it was throughout the day. So this was a day where I had no work to do. I was just going to be lounging around all day. So I had planned on doing a lot of these surveys just for the heck of it. So basically, I woke up, I mean, I slept in. I probably woke up at 9 or 10. And I have like this bad habit of if I have nothing to do in the day, I'll end up just literally laying in bed for like 1 or 2 hours. So I laid in bed for a long time. I think I busted out like 5 or 6 surveys just while I was like waking up. So then I get up. I'm a bougie coffee drinker, so I French press, and I'll admit that. So while I was warming up the water in the kettle, I think I did like an additional survey just in that span of time. Like, that's the simplicity of this, is like literally in a passing of 5 to 20 minutes, you can do 1 or 2 surveys, you know? So I made my coffee, and then my thing is then I go sit on my deck and I drink my coffee and I start my day. So I'm on my deck, bam, another few surveys. Then I went and I got a workout in. Obviously I didn't do anything there, but I worked out for probably an hour and a half, and I got back. And my thing is that when I get done working out, if I'm really sweaty still, I hate jumping right in the shower. I need to like cool off before I'm in the hot water. So while I'm cooling off, bam, 1 or 2 surveys. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is how easy this thing can really be. You're not going to make 800 bucks in a day. But, you know, you can make some just quick, decent money just in the meantime. So I got done working out, came back, made some lunch. Then while I'm eating my lunch, guess what I'm doing? Another survey. And so they're adding up. And that's kind of like what I love so much about this, is it's those passing moments. So what I started doing, like the rule I kind of made for myself, is I was like, okay, if I ever catch myself just aimlessly scrolling through Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or just getting nothing done, I'm gonna do surveys instead, because that's just the downtime that we don't realize. If you really want to know how much time you spend on your phone, go look at your little screen analytics and it'll tell you your screen time, and then you can see which app you're doing the most on. So I was like, okay, if I'm doing X amount of hours towards Instagram and Facebook, there's no reason I can't be doing that on surveys and making some money. So go check that out, and then come back in the comments or something and let me know where your hours were at and how you could switch that up and maybe be doing more surveys instead. So after that, I think I watched a movie, and while I was watching a movie, I probably did like 5 or 6 in that span. And I can't remember what I did the rest of the day, but I want to say I ended up doing 5 or 6 more just in that span of time. So by the end of the day, I can't remember how many specifically I'd done, but I'd done a good amount, and I'd made $31.73. And again, like, we're not sitting here looking at $200, but the way I'm looking at it is I don't feel like I did anything, because I did everything I wanted to do in my day. I watched movies, I worked out, had a chill breakfast and lunch, dinner too. And it's not like I felt like I had to set aside time to do this. I was just doing it in the little passing moments. I don't think a lot of us realize how much time we really spend on our phones, and if we can translate that time, obviously ideally into working, but if it's a time like this where you can't work, you know, translate that time into at least making some money. Cash it out for a gift card, cash it out for, you know, a lunch or something, and I mean, I don't know, to me, I love it. It's a very simple thing. So I'm gonna probably wrap up this video right here. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys a quick, you know, what a day can look like doing something like this. So again, the link is in the description. I'm really strongly encouraging you guys to check this out. The biggest thing is just doing your first few surveys. So do the profile surveys for those 10 points. Then just do like a few and see what you think and go from there. But what I don't want you guys to do is just sign up and never try it, because then you're never really going to know what it's capable of. Imagine if you would quit driving Uber and Lyft after your first day of driving. Most of us didn't have a good first day experience. I know I didn't. And if I had quit that day, I would have missed out on years of a great lifestyle that allowed me to do all the things I love doing. So have that same mindset. Give it a fair chance, and then make your hypothesis off that. So, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you guys soon.